Hey guys, so today I kind of was looking back and I was thinking about all the upgrades and modifications I've done to the home and renovations. I know I've really never sat back and kind of showed you guys all of that stuff. So I kind of took the time to like compile it's pretty much a time lapse of just a bunch of picture slides that I've done. So sit back, it shouldn't take long. It's just a little bit of just upgrades I've done to the home because I think all the stuff I do with the cars is also cool to see what I do with my home as well. All right, have a good one, guys. thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos I put out. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell when you hit the subscribe button. And have a good one. Peace.